Good day. Welcome. Curious how you can maintain and prolong the life expectancy of a dartboard? Yes, a bristle dartboard, like the one right here. Let me show you what I do to maintain it. Follow me. Over time, if one part of the dartboard is mostly picked at, let's say the 20-point slice right there, well, you're most likely to end up with the most holes in that area. So your dartboard ends up looking like this. Yes, your dartboard will end up bulking up and its life expectancy is most likely to shorten up. So what I do is really simple. I rotate the metal wire that has the numbers attached to it. Usually it is held by 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. All I do is pop it out, rotate it as much as you need to or want to, and pop it back in. So now, if you're still after your 20 pointers, you have a new dedicated slice for it. Beat that bristle dartboard. Thank you for watching another HandyDandyRight video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, ensure to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Good day.